Mga kaibigan, once again, magandang tanghali ho sa ating lahat. Good afternoon here in the Philippines and also for those people and especially our hero which is our OFW mga kaibigan. Sasagutin ko na lang po yung mga katanungang ito in order for us to understand, no? Once again, I am not expert, no? Kapila na dyan ako ni siya balik-balikon here because marami pong nakikinig sa atin at saka I don't like to be called as a pretentious knowledgeable. I am not knowledgeable. I belongs to the very very simple human on earth. I am belong to this lap soil, mga kaibigan. So, isa lang po akong hampas lupa. Kung balibaga, kung sa Bisaya ba, hampas lupa, mga kaibigan. I don't have enough knowledge because I am not enrolling the law, I am not theologian, I am not investigator, something like that, mga kaibigan. I am not expert. If you want your concrete idea, concrete opinion that you are satisfied in yourselves, go to the lawyer, go to the court and everything in order for us to understand. But here, I need to be answer for the questions, no? By the way, no, it's our reader is not being cooperated that we don't know we have low pressure in our area right now or our EOR. So mga kaibigan, thank you so much for those people who are listening around the world, no, especially here in our Facebook page, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much. The questions, what is the difference between the tax declarations to the yung titulo or CLOA, mga kaibigan. And also before that, ano ba ang dapat gagawin kung we are going to have a fence or magkukural ho tayo ng ating lote, mga kaibigan. As far as the law is concerned, mga kaibigan, pag kayo po ay maglagay ng kural ng kung sa pamagitan ay ito po yung boundary or the muhon or the marker, wag po ninyong sundutin yan, mga kaibigan. That is against the law. The law will be provided on that. Kung ikaw or ako ang magkukural una mismo, magsisit back ako ng 10 to 20. Ganon, mga iskaruler kapin. O, ganon. Huwag ninyong sundutin, huwag ninyong sentruhin yung, kasi malapas na ka. And also, yung kabila, magsisit back rin yan, mga kaibigan. Ganon ang balibaga na ipagitan. Ganon. So, nasagot ko na po. 10 to 20 ang sitbacking niyan, mga kaibigan. And also, read for the provisions of law, mga kaibigan. Then, tax declarations. What is the difference between the OCT or the TCT or the CLOA? So, unahin natin yung tax declaration, mga kaibigan, as far as the knowledge is concerned, under of the 7160, I think, no? Tax declarations was be considered, you are the owner, we are the owner if we have a tax declarations. But, it is not provided, mga kaibigan, wala ho tayong titulo. Mas owner yung, mas may magmamay-ari yung may titulo. Makuha ho natin. We are a certified owner also. But mas more certified yung may titulo. Kasi under of the 7160, mga kaibigan, yung tax declarations sa municipal po yun, no? Yung mga ganun-ganun. So, yung may title, kasi dapat yan patituluhan, yung tinatawag nating TCT, Transfer Certificate of Title, or OCT, Original Certificate of Title. Kailangan po niyan. Kasi pag matituluhan yan ng iba, sila pong may-ari niyan, mga kaibigan. And the CLOA, yung kaibahan po nila sa tax declaration, CLOA is under of the agrarian reform. Yung certificate land ownership award, yung CLOA, kung malibaga, certificate land ownership award, meaning under sa CARP, No, under sa CARP yan. There is a lifespan of no ceiling of that particular land that you are owning right now, mga kaibigan. That is against the law. No, that is against the law. Because with the period of 10 years, you never been sell on that, mga kaibigan. Kahit saan po tayo magtanong, mga kaibigan. So, nasagot ko na po yung seat backing, what is the difference. That is a little bit of knowledge only, mga kaibigan. No ba, kasi marami pong kasi may bumibili ng ganito. Mas maayo pa siguro mo palit tagwagi titulo. Purely human privilege rights, mga kaibigan. Nung ka makapalit ka ginana, then naaday tag-iya di ay. No? Or nag-iyahan sa lain. It's very hurt, no? It's a heartbreaking us, mga kaibigan, pag ganun pong mangyayari. And also, mga kaibigan, siguro nasagot ko na po 'yon, no? Kailangan magsisit backing yung unang tanong. Wag niyo susundutin yung sentruhin yung muhon or the marker or the PS na yung patakag sukod. Hindi po yung patakag sukod, that is a permanent marker. No, that is a violation. Pag ibalhin na nimo, that is mortal sin by God, and also that is a mortal sin of the law. Mga kaibigan, mapriso kita na. And also, mga kaibigan, second na tanong ay, what is the difference the tax declarations to the CLUA? Yan po, sinasabi ko na po. No, mga kaibigan. And also, yung ancestral domain. So, under of the Republic Act 8371, mga kaibigan. So, yung mga ancestral domain na yan, mga kaibigan, that is belongs to the one community, no, which is the indigenous people of the Philippines. No, ganun po, mga kaibigan. Pag tayo po'y, kasi according to the, kung may nakausap ako, pag i-award na yan or musugot na ang mga dato diha to be converted into agricultural, and that's the time ikuano na sa DNR. Kung sino po yung nakakaposisyon dyan, sila po ang nandyan, they are positioning that, mga kaibigan, and also basta may mga proseso po yun, no, in order to have a tax declaration and also TCT or OCT, mga kaibigan, ganon. So, I don't like to be an expert here. Ganon na lang po yung sagot ko, mga kaibigan. Kasi karamihan no sa atin nagtatanong ng ganon. And also, yung mga Ismen zone area, ito po yung, no, sagutin ko na lang po lahat. Pag ito po yung sapa or ilog or suba, mga kaibigan, from sa gilid niya is 20 meters, that is a government owned. Pag dito po yung lupa mo, pag ito po yung sapa or ilog, ay from there, gikan dire is 20 meters. Pag sa dagat po is 30 meters to 35 meters, I think. No? Itawag og Ismen zone area. Ganon po, mga kaibigan. I don't like to discuss more because there is a lot of lawyers there in order for us to understand, in order for you to satisfied for your concrete opinion and idea. So I hoping so much. Thank you.